Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the project example that you can download in the description. In this case, there is a project example for continuing the part 04 of this series of tutorials and the final part. So in this case I'm going to uncompress this project example. I'm going to open it. First, you must make sure that the plugin is enabled. So edit plugins, and in this case the plugin is enabled. So we can test now. You can open the documentation by clicking in this icon or opening the tutorial. So if I open this link, I'm going to open my website. In my website you can find the tutorial playlist, and you can follow these tutorials to know more about the plugin. You can open this marketplace link where you will be able to buy the plugin, and you can also see the description of this plugin, and you can open the documentation too. In this documentation you can see that all the functions from this plugin are commented. So you can also see an overview of this plugin, all the most of the functions that are exposed in the blueprints. And this is also very important. You can see that the main two functions from this plugin are these autofill game objects and autoload actor data from save. And you can see an unfolded version of these functions. So you can make some changes, and instead of using the autofill game object, you could use all these nodes and modify the functionality. So for example, you could only save one map if you're using level streaming. You could only save the first map, for example, or you could add some more additional functionality, so it's up to you. And there is also functionality for load actor data from save, so you can customize the functionality of these nodes. And if you click play, you will be able to see this message. So another important aspect that you should know is that instead of loading the game from the functions we use it in the tutorials, you could restart the level. In this case I'm going to restart the level, and of course when the game is restarted this begin play will be called, so it works kind of the same. You should test these two ways of loading the game, because it works different. When you load the game for starting the level instance will be destroyed, so everything will start from the beginning. So in this case, my actor position is not being is being restored, so I can't save my position. I can't I can't move freely while I am saving and loading the game. Also, for example, if you restart the game, you don't need to do things like this, for example. You don't need to restart the blackboard logic of the AI, because when the level is restarted, the blackboard logic will be restarted too. So this also applies when you kill a character. If you restart the level, the character will restart its state. So you don't need, for example, to restart the simulation physics or something like that. So it's up to you to use this method or restart level. It will depend on the game you're implementing. Of course, you could use both. It's not there is no problem about that. And I'm going to wrap up this video now, and thank you for watching.